Buckle up because the tech world is shifting right under our feet. Meta Platforms is making a massive power move by partnering with AWS to deploy tens of millions of Graviton cores to fuel their next generation of agentic AI. This is a game changer for how we handle complex autonomous workloads.
Tired of dropping your phone or struggling to prop it up? Meet the PopSockets phone grip with expanding kickstand in black, your new must-have accessory. Don't miss out. Grab yours today. Click the link in the video description to shop now on Amazon.
You have to see the strategy behind this shift from Meta, because they are pivoting millions of AI workloads to these ARM-based AWS Graviton CPUs. This move is sending shockwaves through the market and forcing everyone to rethink the dominance of GPUs in the high-stakes world of AI infrastructure. The collaboration between Meta and AWS is officially locked in to power the future of agentic AI at an unprecedented scale. This agreement marks a major milestone in their long-standing partnership and guarantees they have the performance and efficiency needed to serve billions of people worldwide. Even Amazon is highlighting exactly why these Graviton chips are the new gold standard for price performance across a massive range of real-time AI workloads. The landscape of cloud computing is evolving fast, so make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to the channel with the bell notification turned on to never miss an update. Ever wonder what powers an AI that actually thinks for itself? Today, the race for artificial intelligence just hit a massive milestone. Meta is going all in with Amazon Web Services, announcing a partnership that brings tens of millions of AWS Graviton cores into the Meta ecosystem. This isn't just a minor hardware upgrade. It's a strategic power move designed to fuel the next generation of agentic AI, the kind of autonomous systems that don't just chat, but reason, plan, and execute complex tasks. By integrating Amazon's custom silicon, Meta is effectively diversifying its infrastructure to handle the brutal, high-intensity compute demands required to serve billions of users. Why does this matter? Because as AI models get smarter and more autonomous, traditional processing just doesn't cut it anymore. Meta's head of infrastructure, Santosh Janardhan, made it clear. Diversifying compute sources isn't just an option, it's a strategic imperative. By leveraging the specific speed and bandwidth of Graviton 5 cores, Meta is betting big on efficiency to stay ahead of the curve. It's a brilliant example of how tech giants are moving away from one-size-fits-all hardware toward a right tool for the right job strategy. As these AI agents become a staple of our daily digital lives, partnerships like this are the invisible backbone making it all possible. What do you think? Are we entering an era where hardware customization determines who wins the AI wars? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. Hit that like button if you want to stay updated on the infrastructure wars, and don't forget to subscribe for more deep dives into the future of tech. Remember, the software might get the headlines, but it's the silicon that makes the magic happen. Ever wondered if the AI gold rush is actually just a GPU arms race? Well, Meta just pulled a move that might change the entire game. In a massive pivot, Meta has inked a deal with Amazon to run millions of AI workloads on AWS Graviton processors. But here is the kicker. These aren't your typical high-octane NVIDIA GPUs. They are ARM-based CPUs. Why does this matter? Because while GPUs are the kings of training massive models, once that training is done, you hit the inference stage. The real-world tasks like reasoning, coding, and coordinating AI agents. Meta has realized that for these operational tasks, you do not always need a Ferrari when a highly efficient truck will get the job done at a fraction of the cost. It is a strategic architectural shift that highlights a push for better price-to-performance ratios in an industry that has been burning cash like it is going out of style. This deal is also a major chess move in the cloud wars. Meta is effectively signaling a shift in its cloud allegiances, cooling its reliance on Google Cloud after that massive multi-billion-dollar deal just last year. Meanwhile, Amazon is clearly locking in its position as the go-to infrastructure provider, recently backing Anthropic with a massive 10-year commitment. By leaning into their own custom silicon, AWS is putting serious pressure on the industry status quo, trying to prove that you don't necessarily need the most expensive hardware to win the AI revolution. It really makes you wonder, are we seeing the beginning of the end for the pure GPU-centric model of cloud computing? Hit that like button if you think CPUs will take the lead in AI efficiency, and let me know in the comments, is Meta's move a stroke of genius or just a way to save on the electric bill? At the end of the day, the company that figures out how to run AI without breaking the bank is the one that's going to own the future. Have you ever wondered what actually fuels the AI revolution behind the scenes? Well, the plot just thickened in a massive way. Meta has officially inked a major deal with AWS, and this isn't just a routine upgrade. It's a high-stakes bet on the future of agentic AI. Meta is now going all in on AWS Graviton processors to scale its next generation of intelligent agents. Think about it. Meta needs massive, efficient compute power to make their AI models smarter and more autonomous. And by tapping into AWS's custom-designed Graviton chips, they're effectively sidestepping some of the traditional hardware bottlenecks that slow down progress. This partnership signals a shift where cloud giants and AI developers are tightening their alliance, proving that the race to build truly helpful AI is being won on the factory floor of silicon architecture. It is a brilliant move that balances power with cost efficiency. If you want to stay ahead of these tectonic shifts in tech, make sure you hit that subscribe button. The hardware wars are just heating up, and we are witnessing the infrastructure of the future being built in real time. Who do you think holds the winning hand in the AI chip race? The creators or the cloud providers? Let me know in the comments below. Ever wonder what is actually powering the lightning-fast responsiveness of your favorite ride-sharing apps? It is not just lines of code. It is the massive, unseen leap in hardware performance. We are talking about the 5th generation of custom Amazon silicon, and it is quietly rewriting the rules of the game. These chips are delivering what tech enthusiasts crave most: the absolute best price-to-performance ratio for a staggering variety of workloads in Amazon EC2. But what does this mean for the future of agentic AI? It means we are finally moving beyond basic automation into a world where machines can reason and act with real-time efficiency, handling complex tasks that were impossible just a few years ago. Take the ride-sharing industry, for instance. They are scaling their infrastructure on AWS to ensure that whether you are booking a cab or tracking a delivery, the experience is seamless and instant for millions of users daily. This shift is more than just a hardware upgrade. It is the backbone of the next AI revolution. If you are as excited as I am about how these silent silicon heroes are shaping our digital reality, hit that like button and subscribe for more deep dives into the tech that matters. After all, the future is being built in the data center, one cycle at a time.